What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here. Welcome to our daily show where we discuss everything going on here in our country that you need to know about here on a daily basis. In this video, we're going to talk about money going out for low-income people, people watching this video, people on fixed income, Social Security. You may be on SSI, SSDI, VA, RRB. Yeah, it could be you here, viewers watching this channel. This is part of my commitment to our YouTube community, our YouTube family, our extended family here on YouTube. Part of my mission here on YouTube is to not only help everybody watching this community by telling you guys the daily news and letting you guys know about the federal programs that are going on here, federal stimulus checks, things like federal Social Security raises, the potential $2,400 raise to Social Security bill in Congress, and also the other programs like the student loan forgiveness that was done via executive order for 40 million Americans, and what the next executive order might be as well. And also, we've had state stimulus checks going out to 33 different states already this year. I just did a recent video here on states that are sending out stimulus checks here. Actually, some going out here this week and next week. Actually, I'll link you to that video here as well. But also part of our mission here, our family mission, is to help out people as well personally. Yeah. So last week or two, right before Thanksgiving or right before Halloween, actually, we actually gave away $1,000, and we want to give away some more money. So we were thinking, what can we do here for Thanksgiving? And we were like, well, let's send people turkeys. Let's pay for people's Thanksgiving meals. And so my wife and I, we looked into it and we're like, how can we pay for people's Thanksgiving meals, or how can we send people turkeys? So my wife started to look into it and was like, oh, well, let's find a service that we could send people turkeys for Thanksgiving. We looked into it and was like, yeah, well, unfortunately it was like 2 to 3 times more the price to have it shipped to people's houses and, pay for the shipping and do all that. So yeah, that was that was not the best idea, because I'd rather help out 2 to 3 times more people than doing that. So we came up with an idea here of how we can help out more people here in our YouTube community. And remember, we're going to be doing this here. We're also going to be helping out people here in November and December. So if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe down below to our YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button. It's completely free to do so. This way you won't miss out on our new videos that come out here every day. Click the bell icon after subscribing. Remember that new videos come out here every day at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will keep you up to date here with everything going on here in our country on a daily basis, and what help might be coming out here on the federal level, on the state level, and what type of benefits might be coming out to Americans. Remember, we just had $13 billion of utility assistance just approved here for some states starting in November and December. This is kind of part of my channel here, just to keep you guys updated on everything. And also part of what we want to do here is help as many people as possible as well. In fact, my special guest is here right now.
Hi.
Yeah, tell everybody how you've been.
Why can't you see my doggy? Stop going away.
Yeah, you've been a little sick lately, huh?
Yeah.
Or actually a lot sick lately. All right, so I see you're holding a nice turkey here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, part of our gifts to our viewers here is we're going to be giving away turkey dinners to a bunch of people that watch our show. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to be giving away over $1,000 here before Thanksgiving. I don't know how much it's going to end up being, but it's going to be over 1,000 for sure. And yeah, what do you think about that, buddy? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be having trivia questions every day. Well, maybe every day. Hope maybe every day or so. We'll have to see how it works out. What are you doing? Don't eat the turkey yet. You can't eat the turkey until it's Thanksgiving. You can't eat the turkey until it's Thanksgiving.
Daddy,
This poor turkey, he hasn't even made it to Thanksgiving. So I will have a trivia question for you somewhere in our videos here on a daily basis. If you hear the trivia question, answer the question if you know the answer down below in the comment section. It's completely free to do this, obviously. And if you guess correctly, you'll be entered into the pool of people who have guessed correctly. Kind of similar to our What's in the Box that we've done here in the past. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know we've given away well over $10,000 here in the past through our What's in the Box contest. We just did that for Halloween. And so if you guess correctly, you'll be entered into the pool of people who have guessed correctly. And from there, after the after I have the video, in the next day or so, I will go back and comment on a few people's comments who have picked correctly. I will have a random comment generator randomly picked from the people who have guessed correctly, and I will be giving them $50 each to people who have guessed correctly and the random comment generator picked them correctly to win. Now, obviously, if not everybody, I won't be able to pick every single winner. Okay, but I'll pick a couple people from each video to win. Okay, and I'm going to be doing this probably every day, maybe every day here. I'll have a new trivia question every single day. In fact, I'm going to give you the first trivia question here in about a minute or so. Okay, so we're going to start this contest here right now. So yeah, we're going to be giving away either $50 gift cards, or I will PayPal you or Venmo you, or I'll send you the money. $50 is plenty of money to buy yourself a turkey from the store, and really enough to probably buy yourself some fixins and some stuff like that. If you want to send me a picture of you with the turkey or anything like that to be featured on the show, you can do that too. And I'll feature some of you guys here on the show. And this is just part of us just trying to help out as many people as we can. So we're also going to be doing some stuff, some fun stuff for December. You know, we got the Christmas holidays, the Kwanzaa holidays, and Hanukkah holidays and stuff like that. So if you have any fun ideas of what we could do for Christmas, let me know. We're going to be giving away some basically money. Yeah. I wanted to just send turkeys directly to people, but you know, shipping them frozen and stuff, it was like almost $100. And I figure I could help out twice as many people doing it this way for the same amount of money. Yeah, so hope that makes sense. So again, I'm going to give you a trivia question here right now. Guess the answer down below if you know it. And if you're correct, you'll be entered in the pool of people who have guessed correctly. And from there, we will have a random comment generator. I'll come back like a day later. And in the comment section, I'll pick a few winners. Now, note, you have to be very careful of scammers, okay? Note that my name will always say, "It's Jimmy," and I'll have a question mark, or I'm sorry, I'll have a check mark next to my name. I'll never have a phone number in my name or next to my name. I don't have any phone numbers for you to call. I don't have a WhatsApp or a Telegram or anything like that, and I'll never ask you for money. I'll be the one giving you money, okay, if you win, okay? So if you've been watching my channel, you know that there's scammers in the comment section. But I will have to contact you if you win. Okay, so just be aware that just be careful. I will never ask you to call me, text me, or Telegram me, but I will have to get your email if you or I will contact you through the comment section if you're a winner. But just be careful. You'll be able to tell it's me. My name will be It's Jimmy, and only It's Jimmy. I'll have a check mark by my name. I won't have a phone number or a Telegram or WhatsApp to call me. Okay, so just be aware. Just kind of use your common sense here. And if anybody's asking you to contact them through those other means, it's not me. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. We're going to be doing this again in December, and I'm going to do this. Yeah, we've got a lot of fun stuff here for our viewers. Just kind of our way of giving back and saying, hey, thanks for hanging out with us here on our YouTube channel. So thanks for, and don't forget to hit the like button for us here on this channel. Just shows YouTube that you like our channel. Okay, so the first question here, this is the first, you can guess right here now. It's completely free to do so. And we're going to be giving away $50 gift cards, or I'll send you PayPal or Venmo. This is kind of the first trivia question here. Okay. So go ahead and guess if you think you know the answer. Some of these are a little tricky. They're trickier than they sound. Okay. The first question is, where did the Pilgrims first land? Where did the Pilgrims first land? Maybe I'll expand that a little. Where did the Pilgrims first land in America? Where did the Pilgrims first land in America? Yeah. So if you think you know the answer, comment down below here in the comment section, and you just might win a turkey dinner from me, or a turkey and whatever else you want to buy with the money. Yeah, so comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel here down below. We're going to be giving these away here all the way up until pretty much Thanksgiving on a daily basis. So I'm going to have questions for you like this pretty much every single day here going forward. And yeah, it's just as simple as that. So if you guess correctly, you could win. Now, if you guess correctly, it doesn't mean you're going to win, because there's going to be a lot of people that guess correctly. But basically, it's a free type of ticket, right? And you just might guess correctly. If you've been watching my channel, you know I've been doing stuff like this for a while. We've given away well over $10,000, and yeah. So also, I'm going to link you to a video here I just did about stimulus checks that are going out to people before Thanksgiving and by Thanksgiving in a bunch of different states here. That you might not even know about. In fact, it's millions and millions of people. That's a very good video here you should watch as well. So yeah, really good video. That's kind of part of my commitment here on this channel, is to keep you guys up to date here on everything going on here in our country on a daily basis. So let me know your thoughts here, and do you think you're going to win? And I mean, hey, somebody from the Powerball just won $2 billion. So I don't quite have that. You know, maybe the Powerball person will contact me, and I'll be able to power up with power up with them, or partner up with them, or something like that. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, and let me know what you think I should do for Christmas. So I'm going to be doing something for the Christmas holidays as well. Maybe we'll do something slightly different, or something with Christmas gifts or something here as well. So yeah, make sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I will keep you up to date here. It's just part of my daily commitment to you guys. I love you guys. I think of you guys as part of my extended family here. And I know a lot of people could use a little bit of help with Thanksgiving. So yeah, so let me know your thoughts here. You can click this video here to watch my newest video on checks that are going out here for Thanksgiving. Checks that are going out to Thanksgiving in multiple different states, millions of people. So click on that video next if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.